Amazing growth in the areas directly adjacent to the Stone Forest neighborhood will eventually create significant traffic problems. This will challenge Stone Forest homeowners to choose how they will respond to the increased traffic. Not only will the volume of traffic increase, but there will also be growing numbers of heavy trucks near the neighborhood. Also, visitors to the area will respond in unpredictable ways to driving on the area's roads. One major source is the new Costco superstore on Midtown Drive. This massive construction project is less than 1.5 miles from Stone Forest. Traffic will flow into the parking lot from the frontage road of Highway 6 and may exit on Midtown Drive. Traffic flowing south to Fitch will impact the intersection of Midtown Drive and Fitch, right in front of the Amarillo National Bank. Another major source of traffic is the growing retail businesses in the Lowe's shopping area that attracts new traffic. Massive construction projects bring commercial home builders and area homeowners to Lowe's for supplies. The other businesses in the area are thriving as well. Across Highway 6, the Tower Point area continues its rapid expansion, with a corresponding increase in traffic. More traffic will come from population growth in surrounding neighborhoods. First, traffic will increase on Highway 6 because of the $236 million project to add an additional travel lane going north and south to the highway from Highway 21 in the north to Fitch in the south. Several major intersections will be completely reconfigured. Especially disruptive to Stone Forest will be the reconstruction of the Highway 6 and Fitch interchange, which will take many months to complete. Second, traffic will increase with the development of a 42-acre undeveloped plot of land next to the Amarillo National Bank. The plot has two long edges on Highway 6 to the west and Lakeview Drive on the east. The northern border is Fitch. Plans for this land are unknown. But traffic from the development will directly affect Agate Drive in Stone Forest. Third, Fitch will be expanded to the east, a long-term project which will certainly impact the northern entrance and exit to the neighborhood on Stone Forest Drive. This expanding traffic will create 6 major concerns. Traffic jams at certain times of day, places, or event sites. Cut-through traffic. Speeding. Intersection conflicts and dangers. Conflicts between residential and commercial traffic in the neighborhood. Conflicts among vehicles, pedestrians, bicycles, golf carts, electric scooters, and delivery robots. That's it for one version of traffic in the Stone Forest neighborhood in the near future.